Although small in number, the Parsi community's entrepreneurial and business contribution to the country has been enormous. At the forefront of many social and economic reforms in India, the history of Parsis can be traced back to the 8th century when they migrated from Persia, Iran to the Indian shores to avoid persecution from Arab conquests in their homeland. From shipyard to textiles, Mumbai's Parsis have led the city's commercial development from a group of sleepy fishing villages to one of Asia's business capitals. Back in the day, Parsis were agriculturists in the initial phases in India, but later on they grew even more ambitious and started the trade with China and Burma in the 18th century. Parsis are intimately connected with the history of Bombay. The cotton boom was largely fueled by Parsi entrepreneurs. The oldest newspaper in Bombay, the Bombay Samachar, was founded in 1822 by Fardunji Marzban. Although mostly Indian, the Bombay mill owners were most active in the textile industry, and they were Parsis, including the Petits, the Wadias and the Tatas. Parsi business houses owned by the Tatas, Wadias and Godrej families are at the forefront of India's corporate world. Jamshedji Tata, a pioneer industrialist, founded the Tata Group, one of India's biggest conglomerate companies, and has been regarded as the legendary father of Indian industry. Ardeshir Godrej and Pirojsha Barjorji Godrej founded the Godrej Group of companies in 1897, which owns interests in everything from consumer goods to chemicals, and the Wadia family owns the textiles food product business and is owner of Bombay Dyeing, one of the largest textile groups in India, owned by Nasli Wadia. The business contribution to India from the Parsis has been immense. From being entrepreneurs and legal luminaries to serving in the army, Parsis are known to lead by example. Names like Fali Nariman, an eminent lawyer and constitutional scholar and counsel in several high-profile cases, or the stalwart of the Parsi community who is a prominent jurist and economist, Nanabhai Palkhiwala, was a name to reckon with. Former Attorney General of India and eminent jurist Soli Sarabji also paved the way in the legal world. Parsi figures from Mumbai, ranging from Sir Sorabji Nasarwanji Pochkanwala, one of the founders of Central Bank of India, and Firozshah Mehta, one of the founding members of the Indian National Congress, to Kawasji Nanabhai Dawar, who set up the country's first cotton mill, all leave a rich legacy revered all around the country. Today, several schools, libraries, hospitals and charitable trusts are named after prominent Parsis who are described as the pioneers of modern India.